This is $1 million property for sale in Woodburn, Oregon. Like, seriously? They make $1 million properties in Woodburn? I always think of Woodburn as a nice mix of homes, some older, some newer, and of course, those pesky new construction that nobody truly wanted here. Plus, this sits on 7 acres. So, 7 acres walking distance from Safeway is going to be valuable no matter what. But damn, $1.3 million? Let's see what that gets you. I'm not going to say all of the features verbatim, I'll put that in the description. What I will point out though are signs that a home is more premium than standard. Do you see the arched doorways, for example, or the multi-height ceiling? That's harder to build, and harder means more time spent building, and more time building, of course, means higher cost. And then we get to the materials themselves. This house has a unique advantage over other $1 million properties. The seller built this house to live in with their family, so it was built with premium materials, and dare I say, with extra love. I'm not going to say that everything was chosen to the highest taste, but that's truly subjective, right? This isn't to imply that the builder builds crap for other people, though. What I like about this builder is that his other new construction that I've been to all do feel premium as well. Just tempered to not have the cost go beyond a point where no one can afford to buy the house. God, now I sound like a fanboy. But as a realtor, you can't imagine how many crappy new construction I've been to. There's one builder in Oregon I would never buy from. And when I'm your agent, you benefit from my experience so you don't buy a home from a builder that doesn't care at all about you. Anyway, what do you think of the experiment so far? If you're with me right now, you've been watching this sideways on your phone. Should I do this again or stick with my vertical property tours? Please let me know in the comments. There's truly no good way to show you how cool this property is on video, but I hope you enjoyed seeing what I could show you in under 3 minutes. If you want to fully appreciate this property, send me a message and let's go see it. Or if this property wasn't your cup of tea, that's fine. I can show you any other property out there. As always, good luck on your property search.